Hey guys, for today's video I will teach you how to execute the JA perm and JB perm. So let's start with the JB perm. So let's see, we have a bar right here. These two needs to swap and these two corners need to swap. And this is how I execute it. .993. So we have the JA perm, the bar is in the right side and these two needs to swap and these two corners need to swap, and I'll execute it like this. .72. Well, that's all for today. I hope you guys benefit from this video. See you guys next time. Goodbye!